What's going on, everyone? So potential bounce spot here on Tesla. One thing that I am going to be watching going into tomorrow's CPI data numbers, along with the wrapping up of the week. So I know we're still early in the week. Tesla has been on the decline since putting in that $942.82 price tag. But one thing that I kind of do want to take a look at here, if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, I would recommend you guys kind of pull this up so you guys could see exactly what I'm looking at. If we just kind of go back to 2 weeks ago, Thursday, Friday, Monday, in that area, you can see a level of resistance here on Friday from 2 weeks ago, right around this 840 zone. Okay, so as soon as we came up here, kind of tagged it for 2 hours in a row, couldn't really gain any steam, and then we had a nice little pullback here. And then once we started to reclaim this area here, going back to last Thursday, or excuse me, 2 Thursdays ago, you can then see that break of $841 here, put in a nice move up 100 points in the past couple of weeks. So if we got to kind of look at, from the time we got rejected to the time we reclaimed it, it's only been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days, just about 2 weeks worth of price action here. But what I'm kind of looking at here is, could this be the break and retest for a potential bounce and a takeout of the 940 highs? That's definitely what I'm going to be looking at going into the end of the week, as well as next week. If you guys are looking to try to take a trade on Tesla and try to make some money on it for a potential short-term trade, here are a couple of ideas that you can do. Okay, whether you're playing options or you're playing common shares, one thing that you can do is, as long as Tesla holds $840, you can go ahead and sit long in this trade. Now, your next area of resistance is going to be somewhere around $864. Anything over $864, right around that $900 to $920 range. Anything over that, obviously, we'll start to target that 940, but we got to walk, or we got to crawl before we could walk, right? So we can't just get up and start sprinting to the finish line here. Tesla has a lot of work to do, but I do believe that this is a healthy pullback. Now, if we do get some negative reaction news off the CPI data and we do begin to fall, any type of bounce that takes us into 860 to around that 900 range, that kind of stalls out without getting above 920 and 940 and rolls over through 840, is an absolute short position. Okay, absolute short position. We would be targeting something between I would go to the bottom of this recent pullback here, as well as this little recent resistance here, and we would be looking at a price between 765 and around 785. I would look for it to kind of pull into this zone here. So what I would be doing here is, in this scenario, if Tesla does get a bit of a bounce, stall out, rejection, lose the 840 zone, I would try to target this zone down in here. Now, if you enter into this potential bounce play here off of a previous level of resistance, I would look to scale profits into 864 and scale some more profits into 885, between 885 and $915. Make sure not to get too greedy. You always want to lock in those profits, because we could still get rejected in this zone here, which you can see is going to act as a lot of probably choppy price action, right? The reason I'm saying that is, we break it, we lose it, we break it, we lose it, we put in a high, and then we completely fold, only to get rejected again to come back down to the original break spot. So these are the two areas I would be looking for a harsh level of demand here. I would look for a harsh level of resistance here, anything over 940 long, and we do have our trade idea and opportunity to either get in long here or let it bounce and wait for the rejection through 840. I hope this video helps. If you guys want more information, make sure to check out my Discord, and I will see you guys on the next video.